The Nissan Qashqai II, model J11 from 2014 to 2021, features an engine stop-start control system designed to improve fuel efficiency. It automatically shuts off the engine when the car is stationary, like at a traffic light, and restarts it when you release the brake or press the accelerator. This system can save 5 to 10% on fuel consumption and reduce emissions by 10 to 15% in urban driving. This video will show you how to control this system. To locate the start-stop control in your Nissan Qashqai II, look for the physical button on the center console. It's often labeled ECO or shows an A enclosed in a circle with an arrow. This button is on the center console near the gear shift. Some models with Nissan Connect also offer this setting in the infotainment menu. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then Eco Mode to access it. Keep in mind that the start-stop system is not available on manual transmission variants or diesel models. To enable the start-stop system in your Nissan Qashqai II, press the Eco or Start-Stop button located on the center console. When enabled, an indicator light will illuminate on the dashboard, signaling that the system is active and ready to conserve fuel. If your vehicle has Nissan Connect, ensure the start-stop setting is toggled on within the Eco Mode menu of the infotainment system. This feature can save up to 10% in fuel consumption during urban driving by automatically stopping and restarting the engine. To disable the start-stop system using the physical button, press the Eco or Start-Stop button again. The indicator light on the dashboard will turn off, confirming the system is deactivated. Alternatively, through Nissan Connect, access the Eco Mode menu in Vehicle Settings and toggle the Start-Stop setting to off. Note that disabling may not persist through ignition cycles in some firmware versions. The start-stop system won't activate under certain conditions to protect your vehicle's components and ensure comfort. First, the system prevents activation if the battery charge is low, to avoid draining power needed for essential functions. Second, it won't activate in extreme engine temperatures, either too hot or too cold, to prevent stress on the engine. Third, when the air conditioning is running at full capacity, the system stays off to maintain cabin comfort without interruptions. Fourth, if the hood is open, the system won't activate for safety reasons during maintenance. These conditions are safeguards to protect your vehicle's components and ensure your driving comfort. The system requires a compatible AGM battery, designed for better cycling performance under frequent starts and stops. If the start-stop system isn't working as expected, first check the battery's condition. An aging battery, especially if it's not an AGM type, might struggle to support frequent restarts required by the start-stop feature. Also, ensure that no warning lights are illuminated on the dashboard, as these could indicate a related issue. For example, battery or check engine lights might signal problems that affect the start-stop system. Software updates are available through Nissan's app or dealership service to address issues like false starts or delays in restarts. A 2024 firmware patch improved battery monitoring to reduce unexpected restarts. The start-stop system offers clear benefits and drawbacks. It improves fuel economy by 5 to 10%, particularly in city driving where vehicles frequently stop and start. It also reduces urban pollutants by 10 to 15%, helping to lower emissions in busy city environments. However, some drivers find the frequent engine restarts disruptive. The system can also cause faster battery wear, requiring AGM battery replacements every 3 to 4 years. When deciding whether to enable or disable the system, consider your driving habits and personal preferences. The start-stop system in the Qashqai II is a mature technology from its production years. Looking ahead, future vehicles are integrating it with advanced systems like regenerative braking and mild hybrids for enhanced efficiency. For the Qashqai II, no major upgrades are expected, but aftermarket retrofit kits may become available to enhance the system. Regenerative braking captures energy during deceleration to recharge the battery, working seamlessly with start-stop for better fuel efficiency. While no official upgrades are planned for the Qashqai II, aftermarket kits can retrofit improved start-stop functionality. The system stays compliant with EU emission standards like Euro 6, helping reduce urban pollutants. By 2030, start-stop will evolve into advanced idle-stop-start systems with AI predicting traffic, potentially saving 15 to 20% fuel. Standalone start-stop may decline as electric vehicles dominate.